Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the sweet and nutritious world of dried fruits. From raisins to dates, we'll share tips on how to enjoy them as healthy snacks. Stay tuned. Dried fruits are rich in natural sugars and carbs. That means they can give a quick energy boost. They work well before sports practice or a game, during a long hike, or in the middle of a school or workday when your focus drops. Picture this. You are tired at 3 p.m. You could grab a candy bar, or you could grab a small handful of raisins with some nuts. Both will raise your blood sugar. The dried fruit and nuts will also give you fiber, healthy fats, and minerals, so the energy may last longer. Keep the serving small, and pair with protein or fats like nuts or yogurt. That combo helps you stay full and steady. Sugar additives and portion sizes, what to watch out for. Dried fruits are still sweets, even if they come from a tree. They are not magic diet food. To use them well, it helps to understand sugar, extras on the label, and portions. Why dried fruits are so sweet and how much is too much. Drying does not create new sugar. It just removes water, which makes the sugar that is already in the fruit more packed together. Think of it this way. A small box of raisins may come from a big bunch of grapes. A few dried apricot halves may equal 2 or 3 fresh apricots. So you can eat the same amount of natural sugar much faster when the fruit is dried. Simple portion tips include aiming for a small handful of dried fruit, picturing the size of a golf ball or about 1/4 cup, and for very sweet fruits like dates, 1 to 3 pieces is usually enough. Too much dried fruit can add up in calories and sugar, which is important for people with blood sugar concerns or anyone trying to manage weight. Hidden sugar, sulfites, and oil, reading dried fruit labels. Not all dried fruits are plain. Some brands add extras to change taste or look. Common add-ons include added sugar or corn syrup, fruit juice concentrates, sulfites, and small amounts of oil. When you read a label, look at the ingredient list. A simple dried fruit might say ingredients: apricots, may contain sulfur dioxide, a type of sulfite. Try to choose options where fruit comes first, and there are not many other words. Dried fruits that say unsweetened or no added sugar do not have extra sugar beyond what naturally comes from the fruit. If you enjoy sweetened dried fruit, you can still have it. Just keep the portion small, and do not treat it like a bottomless snack. Who should be careful with dried fruits? Some people need to be more careful with dried fruits. People with diabetes or blood sugar problems, anyone trying to lose weight who tends to overeat sweets, people sensitive to sulfites who may react to some dried apricots, raisins or mixes, and those who get stomach pain from high-fiber foods. If you are in one of these groups, it helps to talk with a doctor or dietitian. They can guide you on how much dried fruit fits your plan, or whether you should avoid some types. How to enjoy dried fruits in healthy, tasty ways. Dried fruits can taste amazing, and they do not have to feel like candy. Thanks for watching part 1. If you enjoyed learning about dried fruits and want more tips, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.